Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download ADP app on your mobile, and so follow the steps, which I'm going to be showing you in order to do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move forward with today's video now, shall we? So since ADP Payroll app is not available on my Play Store, because ADP Payroll app is not available in every single country, so if you're living in a country where ADP app is not available, then basically even if you search it in Play Store is not going to show it. So the alternative way, which is going to work for every single person, that's the way I'm going to be showing you. For that you need to use your browser, right? So first step, go to your browser. I'm going to go to my Chrome browser over here. And after it, go to your browser over here and search. You want to search this one to search for ADP Mobile Solution, and is going to see ADP Mobile Solutions. You can click on it, wait for some time. And as you guys can see, it says this item isn't available in our country. If you use your Play Store, it was going to show this. So what you want to do is ADP Mobile Solutions up Kato at Loa. Do you want to search for APK downloads, and you want to click on ADP Mobile Solution APK Mirror. Click on the first option, it will take you to their website. Once you're in this website, wait for some time until they fully load up. Once it fully loads up, scroll a bit down over here. And once you see this, you can choose which version you want to download. I want to download latest. So I'm going to click on this button over here. And it will start to download. Just close this pop-up ad for a store right over here. Scroll a bit down and rest is see available downloads. Click on it, basically click on this icon over here. And it'll start to download. So wait for some time. It's a bit of a long process. And over here scroll a bit down again, click on Download APK. And now it should start to download. As you guys can see, it says your download is starting now. Click on OK at the bottom, and it should work. So yeah, that's how we guys can download it. Now for downloads is complete, it's going to show open button at the bottom. So I'm waiting for some time until the downloads. The average downloaded is going to show you this message over here. What you want to do then is click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, go in Downloads. Once you go in Downloads, you can see this. You want to double click on the folder. Once you double click on it, it's going to show you this starting up. Wait for some time. And after it completely loads up, is going to show you Install to Monty. Click on Install. Our ADP mobile app will install on your phone. That's how we guys can install ADP mobile app. But if ADP is available in your country, just go on Play Store and download it. It's pretty easy. This is a bit long process, but in most countries is not available, so we have to use this method. Alright, so don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.